Good morning, students. Let's continue chapter 3. Today's topic is exercise 3.1. Student, first question of exercise 3.1. Question is, in the matrix A is equal to, matrix is given, write order of matrix. Second question, number of elements, and third is write the elements. Okay, so let's start. Here student, in the matrix, this is the first row R1, it is second row R2, and it is third row R3. So in this question, 3 rows. Column C1 vertical line, it is C2, it is C3, and it is C4. Okay, so order of the matrix is 3 by 4. Okay, write first number of rows and then number of columns. Second part, number of elements. So student, number of elements 12. Okay, multiply only 3 by 4. Now third, write the elements A13. A13 means first row, third column. Element of first row, third column. It is 19. So answer of this is 19. Next, A21. Second row, first column. It is 35. So answer of this is 35. A33 means third row, third column. It is a third row students, it is third column. So answer of this is -5. A24, second row, fourth column. Is second row, fourth column. So answer is 12. Next is A23 means second row, third column. It is. So it is 5 by 2. Okay student, this is the answer. Move for next question. Question is, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order? Okay, so for this question student, first write the factors of 24. Okay, so factor of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 itself. And now write the order. Order of matrix. It is student 1 by 24. Okay, means 1 row and 24 columns. Next 2 into 12. Next 3 by 8, 4 by 6 and 6 by 4. Next 8 by 3, 12 by 2 and 24 by 1. Okay, these are the possible order of matrix. Next part of this question is, what if it has 13 elements? Okay, so student, first factor of 13, 1 and 13 only. Prime number 13 is, so order of matrix, it is 1 by 13 and 13 by 1. Okay, only 2 matrices are possible. Okay, now move for the next question. Next is, construct a 2 by 2 matrix A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I plus j whole square by 2. Okay, so for this question students, we find the value of elements. Okay, first find A11. A11 1, 1. Okay. For this, write the value I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1 in the given question. You will get 1 plus 1 is square by 2. Okay. Solve it. It is 2 only. Now, A12. For this, in place of I, write 1. Place of j, write 2. Its square, divide by 2. It is student 2 plus 1, 3. 3 square, 9 by 2. Okay. And next, A21. In place of I, write 2 and place of j, it's 1. Divide by 2. It's also 9 by 2. And next, A22. In place of I, 2. In place of j, also 2. Square by 2. It's 4. 4 square, 16 by 2. It's 8. Okay. And now, construct a matrix. A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix, student. It's A11, A12, A21 and A22. Okay. So write the values of elements and you will get A11. Here A11 is 2. Write here 2. A12. A12 is 9 by 2. So write here 9 by 2. A21. It is also 9 by 2. Write here 9 by 2. And A22. It is 8. Okay. For 3 by 3 student, we have to take A11, A12, A13. Here A21, A22, A23. And it is A31, A32 and A33 for 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. So for the next question, you do by own. Okay. Now, the next question is find the values of x, y, z from the following equations. First part of this question is this, student. Here two matrices are given and here sign is equal to. It means the matrices are equal. So corresponding elements must be equal. Okay, student. So solution of first part is 4 and its corresponding here element is 1. So 4 is equal to y and z is equal to student 3 and its x and here corresponding element is 1. So 1 is equal to x. These are the values. For the second part, here student x plus y is equal to 6. Okay. And 5 plus z is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 8. Equate the corresponding elements if the equal to sign is given between two matrices. Okay. And now students solve this equation. You will find the value of x, y and z. So first, very simple, from this equation z is equal to 0. Now solve these two equations by substitution method. Now students solve these two equations. Okay. So first from here y is equal to 6 minus x. Okay. And substitute here x in place of y. 6 minus x is equal to 8. Now solve it student. 6x minus x square is equal to 8 or x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. And now factorize. Okay. So x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 0. You will get student x minus 4 and x minus 2. Okay. So, two values of x. X is equal to 4 and 2. Substitute the values of x. We will find y. So, y will be x minus 4. Then it is 2. another value. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 4. Okay, so write the corresponding values of x, y and z. Third part of this question is x plus y plus z is equal to 9. X plus z is equal to 5 and y plus z is equal to 7. Now solve these three equations, student. So from second equation, x plus z is equal to 5. Write in the first equation, you will get y plus 5 is equal to 9. So y is equal to 4. Okay, and from the third equation, write y plus z is equal to 7 in first. So x plus 7 is equal to 9. X is equal to 2. Okay, and now from the first equation, x 2, y 4, find the value of z. So z is equal to 9 minus 6, z is equal to 3. Okay, so these are the values of x, y and z. Okay, this type of questions given student in the exercise 3.1. Now one MCQ number 10. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. Okay student, 3 by 3, it means total number of elements will be 9. Okay, and in the place of 9 elements we can substitute either 0 or 1. Only two possibilities are here. This type of question student we have done in 11, permutation and in the exercise permutation and combination. Okay, so I am just solving this in short. Okay, question number 10. There are two possibilities, is only 0 or 1, and number of places to fill this 9. So answer is 2 raised to 9 only. And solve this, you will find the answer 5, 1, 2. Okay.